Well, hello, and today we are looking at this Toyota Supra in some of its details, and I'll give you a little room tour. But first, let's look at the outside. There's the Toyota Supra badge, small detail I really like. Of course, it has a Targa roof, pretty interesting wheels, and let's get inside of it. And let me show you around. So production of the third generation Supra started '86, and the car got many updates, many changes in all its details. And this is what it looks inside. So I think it is a proper GT, proper Japanese GT, just because, just look at the rear bench. It's impossible to have a nice drive in it. So this is one criteria of a GT, at least in my eyes. Of course, large engine. This has a 3.0 V6, and inside, and this is something I really like about the Supra, it does not look like you're in a sports car at all, because this is a very large piece of, well, cage cluster, if you will. Anyway, well, we forgot the radio. We just pretend as if it's not here, and then we look at everything we have here. So, window controls, of course, central locking for a two-door car. What I think is interesting, just the size of the buttons, because it's almost like in a truck. Very interesting. This is the push button for the cruise control. Heated rear window, some light switch, the usual light switch where I show you, because, well, it has pop-up headlights. This is all you want from a sports car, right? What else? Wiper controls, and there we have everything for the AC. Auto setting, AC setting, Econ. I guess Econ is AC off, at least in one of my cars. This is I think this is just a little clock. What else? We have lots of storage. There's a large storage compartment right here, a smaller one right here. This is from the tires, and this is the electronic seat adjustment. So it's half. One part of it is manual, semi can do with the help of this little button. Mirror controls, and an almost non-existent shifting knob. Very small. So let's fire this beautiful car up. It's running very smoothly, and I don't know anything about engines and everything, but what I know is how to pop up the headlights. I hope you can see it. There it is. It's a bit childish to like that, but I like that a lot. So, yeah, what else? As I said, this has a Targa roof. Little inconvenient, because you just need some tools to get the roof off. There's a little description about how to do it. What else do we have? We have some lights right here, right there. These are the door lights. Well, yeah, that's it. So, bye-bye from the flight deck of a Toyota Supra A70. And there's much more to this car on my Instagram, which you probably look at right now in this moment. Cheers.